How far my people, how una dey now? As una know how we take dey do am for dis channel, we dey teach crypto in pidgin English and everything wey dey related to crypto. You know say for our last video, we talk say we go dey talk about plenty way wey you fit take money for crypto. So for today video, we go start to dey talk about 15 ways wey you fit take make money for crypto. So stay tuned. The number one thing wey we go talk about for today na make you dey buy new coin wey get better chance to go up wella as e just dey comot. Na wetin Oyinbo people dey call early investment. This one na one of the better way wey you fit take make money for cryptocurrency. Make I do example for you. As Bitcoin just comot around 2009 to 2013, everybody bin dey talk about am. Anywhere wey you go, people dey talk about crypto, especially Bitcoin. You go just dey hear Bitcoin wella. But then, as you no know, you no come later buy. So if to say you buy am that time, you for don become billionaire now. After that time, plenty coin wey get feature still dey comot. And even as I dey talk to you now, coin wey get plenty feature dey. So na to make you do your own research, make you know the one wey get feature, and make you know the one wey you go buy, and make you just get that patience. Say as you buy am now, you go give am time, e go rise and you go make money wella. The number 2 way wey dey for our list na wetin we dey call staking and interest. This one na when person go give company money make dey use am dey do business. After some time, small money go dey on top am wey dey go dey call interest. So for crypto na the same thing. We fit buy crypto, give one crypto company make dey take dey use am dey do business wey dey go dey give you interest. After some time, the money wey you put there go get interest and e go increase in value. The number 3 for our list na we dey call day trading. Day trading na the very simple way to take make money for crypto, but you must get small 1 or 2 knowledge for wetin we dey call fundamental analysis. So day trading na to know when coin go go up and when e go go down, so you fit trade am in a small time, take comot your money immediately. Number 4 for our list na we dey call holding. We know say sometimes you go get money wey be say you dey look for share for dem big or small company to buy, so that after many years you go comot your money, and by that time you go get small money on top the money wey you put before. E fit be double, e fit be triple. So for cryptocurrency na the same thing. You go fit just buy one better coin, hold am for like 3 to 5 years or even more than that sef. By the time you dey ready to comot am, you don already get interest. And coin wey you fit hold na coin wey get feature very well, and coin wey dey exchanger. For the exchanger part, we go talk about crypto exchanger in our next video. The number 5 for our list na wetin we dey call play to earn crypto game. Normal when we no get anything to do, we dey like play games like Candy Crush, Zuma, Temple Run and plenty games for our phone. And for the game, we dey earn some coin wey we take dey play the game. So the matter be say, what if all those coin wey we dey earn for this game, we fit withdraw am to our bank account? That means say all our time no go waste now. So na wetin play to earn for crypto be that, so that we fit dey make money for crypto as we dey play game. So example of this kind game wey dey for crypto, we dey call am Axie Infinity, we get Crypto Rider, we get the Sandbox, we get the Splitter Landers and plenty games for crypto wey be say if you dey play, all the coin wey you dey earn for the game, you fit take withdraw am. The number 6 for our list na im we dey call airdrop. All of us don dey hear the word airdrop. For this one, na when crypto company just dey start, they go need people to dey tell other people about them. Because of that, they go come up with small job wey you go help them do, so that they go give you their token wey you fit convert to better money later. Job wey they fit give you be say, they fit tell you say make you follow them for all their social media handle, and make you dey share their company name, their company logo, their company link to your friends and family. After all this one, they go give you the token. Easier be. Na why some people dey make money for airdrop be that. You go hear say this one talk say he wan claim airdrop, he wan go collect airdrop, because all those airdrop na free. You go just do some small tax and they go give you. Number 7 wey we get for today be wetin we dey call mining. You don hear people talk say they wan mine Bitcoin, they dey mine Bitcoin, they dey mine this, they dey mine that. So for this one, crypto company dey need plenty energy and plenty power to take dey do transaction for their blockchain. So if you no know wetin be blockchain, go watch my last video. I talk about wetin be blockchain and wetin be cryptocurrency for the video. Go watch am. If you no still understand anything, comment for the video, I go reply you. So if you fit use your phone or your laptop or your desktop take dey help them dey power their transaction, then they go dey give you small percentage for any transaction wey your phone take help them power. The number 8 wey we get for here na wetin we dey call crypto research and analytics. You fit dey do research about crypto make you fit know everything wey dey go on about the crypto, about the coin, about the person wey get am, about the company and everything wey dey related to the coin. So you fit know when they go enter market, if they dey go up, if they dey go down, if they go pump, if they go dump. So people go dey pay you for this research wey you do make they know how they go take risk their money, how they go take maintain their money, how they go take enter the market and how they go take comot for the market. So they go dey pay you big money make they do research based on crypto for them. Our number 9 for today na wetin I dey call crypto content creation. We all know wetin be content creation, but in case you no know, e mean say make you dey talk about something, make you know about something and make you dey talk about am. You dey see say people dey talk about football, people dey talk about comedy, people dey talk about movie, people go just sit down dey talk about one thing like that. So for this one, na when you dey talk about crypto, everything wey you know about crypto, just dey talk about am for social media and for YouTube channel, just like the way I dey do now. I dey talk about crypto, so you fit call me crypto content creator. The number 10 wey we get for here na wetin we dey call crypto hedge funds. Crypto hedge funds. If you don turn bad guy for crypto, people fit dey give you their money make you dey use am help them trade, and any gain wey you make una fit dey share am by percentage. For example, una fit dey share am 70-30, 60-40 or 80-20, depend on una agreement together. But know say the person wey bring the money na him go get the highest share, cause na him dey take all the whole loss. You understand? But I take God beg you, if you never sabi crypto, if you just dey learn, no collect anybody money take dey trade for them. I repeat, no collect anybody money take dey trade for them. If you do so, no call me. That's why I tell you initially say if you don turn bad guy for crypto, no just say because you don't know how to trade small you dey collect money say make you dey help them trade. If they catch you, they arrest you, na your own wahala be that. I don talk my own. The number 11 wey we get for our list na wetin we dey call crypto developers. If you sabi code well or you sabi programming very well, this one na for you. Let's say you sabi build website and application, all those mobile application for phone, then just go learn blockchain and solidity and program wey dey call web3. That's all. If you sabi am, you go dey make your money steady, because all those new crypto company go need people wey go dey help them build their website, wey go dey help them build their app so that people fit use. So if you sabi all these things, if you sabi web design, if you sabi program, if you sabi mobile app, just go learn blockchain and web3 join. That's all. You go dey make money, because all those company wey dey do crypto, they go need you and they go dey call you make you help them design their website, upgrade their website, build mobile app, update it for them. The next one, which is number 12, wey you take fit make money for crypto, na wetin we dey call crypto affiliate marketer. We know how affiliate market take dey work. If you no know, na to tell person make e register for something under you so that you go get commission. So for crypto, e dey happen too. You fit tell person make they register for crypto app like Binance, KuCoin, etc. with your referral code or link so that you go get commission. And some crypto app dey pay like $20, $50. Some sef dey even dey pay $100. The sweet thing be say anytime the person wey you register do transaction, you go get small change on top your own money. Next one for our list, which is number 13, na wetin we dey call crypto influencer. To all of una wey get plenty followers for Twitter, Instagram, plenty friends for Facebook and plenty people for your WhatsApp wey dey view your status, you fit message or email all those big company, all those big crypto company, make dey help them dey advertise and promote their product and services no be only big company sef, you fit message all those small company wey just dey come, dey go hire you fast. So just message dem, tell dem say na how many followers wey you get, na all those friends wey you get, na how many likes wey you dey get. Give dem your link to your Twitter, to your Instagram and to your Facebook, make dem check am out. So once they see am say you get a lot of followers, then they fit deal with you, say make you dey help dem, dey promote their service and make dem dey pay you. The next one wey dey here na crypto, NFT and gaming. NFT na big thing on e own, which we go still talk about for this channel. But for now, you fit make money for NFT wey e be say you go just go buy NFT, then sell am, dey buy and sell. After small time, you go sell am again. Or you fit be artist wey be say you fit draw, you fit art, you dey very creative for drawing. Then you fit just join all those NFT companies wey just dey come. Tell dem say you be artist o, you fit dey help dem dey do their NFT design, make dem dey pay you. The last one wey be number 15 for our today how to make money for crypto na wetin we dey call OTC trading. OTC trading means over the counter trading. This one na the easiest way wey you fit take make money for crypto. Even as I dey talk to you now, if I finish explaining how and wetin be OTC, you fit start am now, as in you fit start am after this video. So you don see all those people wey dey your Facebook, wey dey your WhatsApp, wey dey talk say they dey buy Bitcoin, they dey sell Bitcoin, they dey buy Bitcoin, they dey sell Bitcoin, they dey sell this coin, they dey buy that coin. Now wetin be OTC trading be that? Now man yarn you how this OTC take dey make, like how you fit take make money for OTC. So let's say now person come meet you say he wan buy Bitcoin and he no know where to buy am from, but because he trust you, make you help am buy. Now wetin you go do be say you go to exchangers. We go talk about exchanger for our next video. Exchangers wey dey sell and buy Bitcoin, you go there. Once you dey there, you go search how much they take dey buy their Bitcoin. If one Bitcoin na $20,000, you go tell the person say the Bitcoin na $20,000, $100,000. Shey you get? Then anything, if the person pay you, you go comot your change from am, take use the 20,000, take go buy the Bitcoin for the person. So let me explain am again. If person wan buy Bitcoin and the person talk say he wan buy Bitcoin of 5,000, shey you get? So you go to exchange and know the amount wey they sell their Bitcoin. Then you go buy Bitcoin of 4,800, give the person, and the person go pay you 5,000. That means say you don get 200 naira gain. You get? So if person wan sell too and person say he wan sell Bitcoin, then you go to your exchanger, know how much person dey buy. Person fit buy the Bitcoin from you. So if the person dey wan buy am for 2,000 for your hand, then you fit come tell the person say you go buy am from the person hand 1,800, then you go sell am for the exchanger 2,000 naira wey you and the person be agree before. If you no still understand, I go explain am again. OTC trading na the easiest of all wetin we dey talk since. So now when you dey collect Bitcoin or crypto from person, then go to the exchange and know how much the Bitcoin or the crypto take worth. Then you go add your money. That is if you dey buy from the person. But if the person dey sell to you, you go exchanger, go know the price wey dey sell am for there. Then you go come remove some money from the person. If the person wan sell am to you 5,000, then you go make sure say you fit sell am 4,000, 4,500 or 4,800. Make you no just cross 5,000 so that you go get your own gain inside. Then if person wan buy from you, you go tell the person say how much you wan buy. If na 5,000, if the person wan buy from you, you go the exchanger first. Shey you understand? Go to the exchanger first, go know how much they sell am for there. You understand? So if you know how much they sell am, you go buy 4,800, go give the person, and the person go pay you 500. So it's dey very easy. But in case you no still understand, you fit drop your comment on the comment section. I go explain am for you so that you fit understand. Then in our next video, in our future video, we go do OTC transaction live for here so that you go see how it take dey work. But if you still no understand, you fit chat me up. Just go to the comments, just go to the description, you go see my details there where you fit contact us, then we go get back to you. So if dey get anyone wey I no mention on how to make money, how you fit take make money for crypto, abeg just help me mention am for comment section, make me ma learn from you, then make other people wey dey watch learn from you. So for my next video I go tell una how you fit buy and sell crypto and wetin be exchanger and how exchanger take dey work and the exchanger wey we get. So thank you as you calm down watch our video today. No forget to subscribe, comment, like, share our video to your friends, to your family and other people wey you like. Last no forget say to check all our social media channel, make you dey follow us, make you dey get better update from us. Thank you very much. Omo na try pass o, say una even settle down watch reach here. I love you. Don't worry, anything wey you want make we talk about for crypto wey we never talk about, drop am for comment section today. We go talk about am on our next video. Thank you.